The time has come, Adam Faith. No, but the time really has come to put the Elements board onto the wall. Now, this is what we're going to tile onto. The Elements board is a perfect surface for tiling onto, and it's also insulated, so it cuts down on condensation in the bathroom. It's a very important thing that it actually means that the tile surface is more like the room temperature, so you don't get that cold surface that the condensation runs on, leading to that mildew on the grout and the mold and everything else. So it's a lovely, lovely product. I use it all the time, and we're going to screw it to the wall here. Now, this is actually a very strange construction, this house, brick, but it's got these stud walls in it. So we're going to stick this, or we're going to stick it, we're going to screw this onto the studs. But we need to find out where the studs are. Now, we can put this vertically, or we can also put it horizontally. And the only difference is which way works out better for our fixing. So if we did it into the corner here, for example, we'd find that we're midway on a stud or something like that. So we're going to try and make it to optimize the fixing, but I've got to find out where these studs are first, which is one of those things you can be lucky with. A little bit of tapping, sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. You can get a modern electronic device, the stud finder general. Hang on. You can get a stud finder, and what you do with these is you calibrate them and you work them on a surface where you know there's no stud. So we turn it up and this is the trouble with it, it's got a loose contact. Right, so we turn it up so it's just off beeping where there's no stud, and then as we go across the wall, it's giving us a stud. We should be getting a beep around about here. Yeah. So that's consistent, that's good. I think this tile adhesive may be slightly problematic for it because it needs to sit against something flat. So we can't get it there, but if I take it up here, and you kind of expect them to be equidistant, so that actually chimes well. Let's just see if we can find this one in the corner. Beep, beep, go on. No, it's not beeping, but I reckon there's one there. So I'm using a little bit of intuition, a little bit of experience, and a little bit of electronic equipment. And between the three things, oh goodness me, why aren't you off? So what we can then do is we can just try a trial drill in the wall just to make sure that we've got a firm fixing, and then we're okay. If you can't do that, you can stick this board to the wall with KST adhesive, which will also work. But I like belt and braces, I like mechanical fixings, and I like adhesive. So one there, one goes in between the two joint, gotcha. Right? So I put those on, but you don't need to worry. Yeah. So if you just do that one, that one, gotcha. That one.
What do you think of the progress then, Nicola?
It's amazing.
Well, to be fair, this is
Jubi's so good. It's actually so good. I'm just like, yeah, alright, shut up.
This is all screwed down and the tray actually fits in the slot.
Yeah, you know it fits.
Something's funny.
So have you used this kind of board before?
I have, yeah, in my bathroom at home.
Yeah.
And I like it, it's really easy to cut. You can use a blade, hacksaw, saw. You can see on the edge there, it didn't fit, normally you have to take it down, remeasure it. Here you can just get the blade on the inside and pull it down and it basically slots in. And the other thing is it's light. So rather than being a two-man lift to get it into place up in the high parts there, You don't need anyone at all. You just, excuse me, you can just pop it up by yourself, drive one in it, hold on one screw, and then you can put the rest in. So it's, oh yeah.
Good stuff.
Oh yeah, you could probably put up 3 times as much of this, or I could, opposed to plasterboard, just for the cutting, and just get little edges, get a little corner in there. You just really do that plasterboard. You'd end up just knocking that edge off. So, no, it's lovely to use. And obviously it's like the thermal properties means that you're kind of insulating and lining at the same time. So it's, yeah, it's great. I think it's a definite step forward in making everything easy. And obviously you can stop and dab it as well. So that makes things easier as well. We'll put it like we have here on the stud work. There. And there, that's fine. Let's just mark and centres.